Welcome to the first video in the series for getting started with new Gmail. This video is going to take you on a tour of your new Gmail inbox. We'll begin in the upper right corner of the screen. This waffle-shaped icon is the application launcher that allows you to quickly access other apps within G Suite, such as Calendar, Docs, and Drive. The upper right corner of the screen is also where you have the option to add a profile photo that will be associated with your G Suite account. You can upload an image file from your computer or drag it directly into this area. Adding a profile photo into your G Suite account is a very useful step to take because other people within your organization will be able to easily recognize you as they're interacting with you throughout G Suite. Below this area, there's a gear icon that will give you access to your Gmail settings and preferences. For other G Suite apps, their individual settings and preferences can also be located from the same spot in the upper right corner of the screen. Once you've clicked on the gear icon, click on the Themes link. This is a customization option that allows you to select a theme for changing your Gmail account's background photo. Click on the gear icon again, and this time select the Settings link. Within this area, you'll find the options to further customize the look and feel of your email experience. For example, this is where you can set a custom vacation response message for times when you're out of the office. You can also add your email signature, enable keyboard shortcuts, turn on desktop notifications for new email messages, customize the font style that will be used when you compose new email messages, and more. In the settings area, you'll also find options for other parts of Gmail, such as labels. Labels are like folders for organizing and categorizing your messages. On the Inbox tab, you can adjust which message categories to show as inbox tabs. Other messages will appear in the primary tab of your inbox. Let's take a look at the Advanced tab. In this area, you can enable some optional features that will change the way that Gmail is set up and oriented. For example, let's enable the Preview pane option and then click the Save Changes button at the bottom of the screen. After your inbox has refreshed, you'll now have the option to change how the inbox screen is split. For example, you can set it to have a vertical split. You can also do a horizontal split. Or you can keep it with no split. If you're coming from Outlook, using one of the split options in Gmail might help you to feel more comfortable with how you're already used to reading and managing your email. Above the list of messages, you can click on the left and right arrows to scroll to other emails in your inbox. When you hover over the numbers, you can quickly jump to the oldest or newest email messages in your inbox. Whenever you need to find an email message, you can use the search box that's located at the top of your screen. You can type in a word or a phrase to do a simple search, like this. Notice that the search box will start to autocomplete and provide helpful suggestions the more that you use it. You can also click on the drop-down arrow to do a more advanced search and narrow down the list of results that will appear. The left side of Gmail is where you can find labels. Labels are similar to folders in that they're a way to organize your email. Unlike folders, however, you can apply multiple labels to a single message or email thread, such as the threads that you see here. On the right side of Gmail, there's a sidebar that shows various add-ons that you can view directly within Gmail, such as Calendar, Keep, and Tasks. Click on the plus icon to search and add other apps from the G Suite Marketplace. You can click on the right sidebar to expand and work in these apps directly within Gmail, such as for times when it might be helpful to see your calendar side by side with your email inbox. Once you're finished with an app, you can click on the X button to collapse the sidebar. Finally, the row of action buttons above your list of messages will give you the options to do things such as archive messages, apply labels to messages, and more. Notice that when you click on a checkbox to select a message, this will cause additional action buttons to appear. More details about these buttons and their specific actions will be provided in later videos in this series.